equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, make sure your Dyson SV12 is turned off and unplugged from any power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the battery compartment on the back of the vacuum. You will see a small panel secured by screws. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the panel off to expose the battery. Take a moment to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment with your soft cloth. This will help ensure optimal performance once the new battery is installed. Now, you will see the battery secured in place. There are usually 2 clips holding it down. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry these clips away from the battery. Be cautious not to damage any surrounding components. With the clips released, you can now carefully pull the old battery out. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you don't have to worry about transporting your vacuum anywhere. Take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the compartment. Push it down firmly until you hear a click, indicating it's securely in place. Reattach the clips to hold the battery firmly. Next, replace the panel you removed earlier. Align it properly and secure it with the screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Make sure everything is tightened, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this could damage the panel. Once the panel is back in place, give your vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or smudges. This not only keeps your device looking good, but also helps maintain its longevity. Before you test your vacuum, remember that we provide a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure about the battery replacement or if your vacuum has other issues, don't hesitate to reach out. Now, plug in your Dyson SV12 and turn it on. Check to see if it's functioning properly. If everything is working as it should, congratulations! You've successfully changed the battery. If you encounter any problems, remember we offer a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront without any hidden fees. No calls, no travel, just a simple, hassle-free service. In summary, changing the battery on your Dyson SV12 is a straightforward process that can save you time and money. With the right tools and a little patience, you can keep your vacuum running efficiently for years to come. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.